morning students. Today we are going to start new exercise, that is 13.6 from the chapter area, surface area and volume. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. How many liters of water it can hold? And the question, it is given that circumference of the base of the cylinder is 132 centimeter. So we can write circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel, that is given, that is 132 centimeter and 132 centimeter. And the formula for the circumference of the base of cylinder is 2 pi r is equals to 132. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is equals to 132. So r will be equals to 132, will cross multiply 7 upon 2 into 22. 22 6 and this is 3. So r is 21 centimeter. Now we got the radius. Now we have to find the volume of water it can hold. So volume of water it can hold will be equals to the volume of cylinder, volume of cylindrical vessel. And the volume of cylindrical vessel formula is given by pi r square h, that is 22 upon 7 into r, that we have calculated 21 into 21 into height is given in the question, that is 25 centimeter. So we'll solve this. So when we multiply this, we'll get the answer 34,650 centimeter cube. And in 1 centimeter cube, we can have 1 upon 1000 liter of water. So we have to convert in liter. In question it is asked how many liters of water it can hold. So that will be equals to 34650 upon 1000 liter. So when we'll solve this, we'll get the answer 34.65 liter. So the cylindrical vessel can hold the water up to 34.65 liter. Now let us solve the question number 2 of exercise 13.6. The inner diameter of a cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and its outer diameter is 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe if 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram. In this, first we have to find how much volume of wood is used in making the pipe, as it is a wooden pipe, as it is hollow. So first, what is given, the inner diameter is 24 centimeters. So inner radius will be 24 upon 2, that is 12 centimeter. Outer diameter is 28, so outer radius will be 28 upon 2, that is equals to 14 centimeter. And height of the pipe is how much? 35 centimeter. So we have to find how much wood is used in making this pipe. So that will be volume of wood used in making a cylindrical pipe. So that will be external volume minus internal volume. The external will take pi and h common here, and it will be r square minus small r square. So we can use the formula a square minus b square, and that will be r plus r minus r. So this is the formula for finding the volume of wood used in cylindrical pipe. So now let us put the value 22 upon 7, height is 35 centimeter, and here r plus r, that is 14 plus 12, and here 14 minus 12. So we'll cancel this is 5. So 22 into 5 into this will become 26 and this will become 2. So when we multiply, we'll get 5720 centimeter cube of wood. So this much wood is used in making the pipe. Now we have to find the mass of the pipe. Now in the question it is given that mass of 1 centimeter cube wood is equals to how much? 0.6 gram. 0.6 gram. So mass of this much cube, that is 5720 centimeter cube wood, will be equals to 0.6 into 5720. Then when we solve this, we'll get 3432 gram. So when we'll convert in kg, we'll divide it by 1000. 3432 upon 1000, that will convert in kg. So it becomes 3.432 kg. So the mass of the pipe is 3.432 kg. Now let us solve the question number 3rd of exercise 13.6. A soft drink is available in 2 packs. A tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm and width 4 cm, having a height of 15 cm. Another one, a plastic cylinder with a circular base of diameter 7 cm and height 10 cm. Which container has greater capacity and by how much? Now there are 2 things given here. Now the first is a tin can with a rectangular base of length 5 cm. Length is 5 cm and width is, that is the breadth is 4 cm and having a height of 15 cm. A rectangular tin can means a cuboid. So I am making a cuboid here, you can see here. This is available in this type of pack. So we have to find the volume. And the second one, a plastic cylinder with a circular base of diameter 7 cm. That is in this type of can. Here the radius is, diameter is given 7 cm, so radius will become 7 upon 2, that is 3.5 cm, and height is given 10 cm. Now it looks like it is having a height of 15 cm and it is having a height of 10 cm. It looks like that more quantity of the drink will be available in this, but let us see where in which we have more amount of, or which has greater capacity. So we will find volume of this cuboidal tin can. Cuboidal tin can. That will be given by the formula L into B into H. Length is 5 cm, width is 4 and height is 15. So we'll multiply 5 into 4, 12, 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 15, that is 300 centimeter cube of cold drink can be there. Now volume of cylindrical plastic cylinder, or you can write cylindrical vessel, that is given by the formula pi r square h. So that will be 22 upon 7 into r is 3.5, 3.5 into 3.5 into 10. This will cancel, this will make it 0.5. So when we will multiply this, we will get 385 centimeter cube. So which is having more amount of cold drink, this plastic cylinder will have greater capacity than cuboidal tin. So we will write, therefore plastic cylinder has greater capacity than cuboidal tin can by, we can calculate 385 minus 300, 385 minus 300, that is 85 centimeter cube. Although it looks like it is having greater height, it will have more volume, but since the area of the base is less as compared to the cylinder, that's why the volume of cylindrical vessel is more than that of the volume of cuboidal tin can. Let's solve the question number 4 of exercise 13.6. If the lateral surface of a cylinder is 94.2 cm square and its height is 5 cm, then find the radius of its base and its volume. Now in this question it is given that lateral surface area of cylinder, that is given in the question, that is 94.2 centimeter square, and lateral surface area of cylinder is same as that of the curved surface area. This part of the cylinder is known as curved surface area or lateral surface area, that is given by the formula 2 pi r h is equals to 94.2. 2 into, in this question it is given that we have to use the value of pi equals to 3.14 into r into h is given 5 centimeter is equals to 94.2. so we have to calculate r, that is equals to 94.2 upon 2 into 3.14 into 5. 2 5s are 10 and 10 into 3.14 is 31.4. So when we will solve this, divide this 94.2 upon 31.4, we will get the value, that is equals to 3 centimeters. So the radius of the cylinder is 3 centimeter and we have to find its volume also. Volume of cylinder, and the formula is pi r square h. The value of pi is, again we will use 3.14. R is, we have calculated, that is 3 into 3 into h is 5 centimeter. So let us solve this. So 3.14 into 3 into 3 into 5, 3 is 9, 9 5 is 45, 45 into 3.14 is equals to 141.3 centimeter cube. So the volume of cylinder is 141.3 centimeter cube.